Highway 1.
It's a cloud.
Fog.
Dense fog right there.
On the left of the screen. Past Hearst Castle. Elephant Seal viewing area about 10 miles back. On our way to Big Sur. Pacific Ocean on the left. Mountain range on the right. $54 million project. When the mudslide from Mud Creek, that empty 900 cubic feet. I'm just taking liberty with
Right
all
there,
these numbers.
mudslide right there, right?
Yep. There's an aerial footage of it too. So this is brand new road that just opened yesterday.
That's it?
Yeah, it's been closed. No.
Yeah, that's it, right?
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's only
That-
section one. What?
But we can stop tomorrow on the way back. It's got a big rock. You don't want to stop?
No.
Oh
So
my
many
God.
people. Bridge. Passing the bridge.
Tiny bridge.
That's it?
Small bridge. Because where's that fall? Where's that waterfall at?
Waterfall.
There is a waterfall we're supposed to stop. So tomorrow on... Oh, shit. I hate it. I didn't press. Stupid.
Pretty fog.
I didn't press record.
Foggy.
Tomorrow on our way back.
There's a bridge of what? What's it called?
Just a bridge.
Pretty foggy.
Yep.
So many people park here. What are you gonna do?
Park. Take a
Park.
picture. Yeah, park.
Up there? Maybe I'll turn it up there. Yeah. This is the, what's it called? What kind of bridge is this? I don't even know.
We gotta look in that map.
Gotta look at the map and tell you guys what bridge this is. I don't even know. There's ocean right there with the rocks. We just passed by the bridge earlier when I was filming. There's people down there by the trail. Oh, go.